Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for a beginner. To start, focus on building a strong foundation with basic vocabulary and common phrases. Make sure to pay close attention to pronunciation from day one, as this will prevent bad habits later. Try to immerse yourself in English media daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. This consistent exposure is key to getting comfortable with the language. Next, it's time to develop your core language skills. Practice active listening by engaging with English podcasts or videos, focusing on understanding the meaning. Read simple English texts like children's books or short articles to build your comprehension. Don't be afraid to start speaking, even if it's just forming short, simple sentences. Regular practice in these areas will significantly boost your confidence. To truly enhance your learning, engage in daily conversations with other English speakers, even if they are also beginners. This helps you apply what you've learned. Try writing short paragraphs or journal entries to improve your written English and sentence structure. Regularly review grammar rules and actively work to expand your vocabulary. Consistent effort in these areas will solidify your understanding and fluency. Finally, maintaining momentum is crucial for long-term success. Set realistic, achievable learning goals to keep yourself motivated and track your progress. Finding a language exchange partner can provide invaluable real-world practice and feedback. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to help you create an immersive English environment at home. Keep practicing daily and celebrate every small victory on your journey to fluency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.